Good day, everybody. My name is Hume. I want to clarify one thing. Building a personal brand is not about self-promotion. It's not about exalting yourself, as one client described it. It's about knowing who you are and the unique value that you bring to the table. So it's not promotion, it's clarity. And it's being strategic in making sure that you convey that value once you've clarified and defined on what premise it is built. And you should be focused on three things. Skill assessment. What are you good at? What can you deliver? What unique abilities do you bring to the table? Number two, it should focus on some kind of problem solving. How can you draw on your skills, whether they're human skills or your expertise or your professional capabilities, and you can solve a problem? What problem can you solve with those skills and for whom? That's strategic clarity. And number three, it's about communicating your value. Don't be shy about letting people know what you bring to the table, what you can do, because guess what? That's when opportunities show up, because they know the value that you can bring to the table and you are able to convey that value effectively. All right, until next time, brand you.